Vinyl Windows Dallas installation, Texas, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient solutions. With the rise in demand for energy-efficient vinyl windows in Dallas, many residents are turning to vinyl window experts for their installation needs. Vinyl window contractors in Dallas offer a range of services, ensuring that every installation meets the highest standards of quality and performance. Energy-efficient windows are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. In Dallas, energy-efficient vinyl windows are particularly beneficial due to the region's hot climate. These windows provide excellent insulation, helping to keep homes cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Vinyl window insulation in Dallas is a key feature that many homeowners prioritize when selecting new windows. Custom vinyl windows in Dallas offer homeowners the flexibility to choose designs that match their unique style preferences. Vinyl window customization allows for a variety of styles, colors, and finishes, ensuring that each window complements the home's aesthetic. Vinyl window designs in Dallas are diverse, catering to both modern and traditional architectural styles. Vinyl Windows Dallas replacement is a cost-effective way to upgrade your home's appearance and functionality. Affordable vinyl windows in Dallas provide a budget-friendly option for those looking to replace old or damaged windows. Vinyl window upgrades not only enhance the look of a home but also improve its energy efficiency and security. Vinyl window repair in Dallas is a crucial service for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular vinyl window maintenance can prevent issues such as drafts, leaks, and operational problems. Vinyl window solutions in Dallas include repair services that address common issues, ensuring that windows remain in optimal condition. Vinyl window suppliers in Dallas offer a wide range of options to suit any homeowner's needs. From vinyl window styles to vinyl window features, suppliers provide a comprehensive selection of products. Vinyl window options in Dallas include various sizes, shapes, and configurations, allowing homeowners to find the perfect fit for their homes. Vinyl window durability is a significant advantage for homeowners in Dallas. These windows are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, providing long-lasting performance. Vinyl window quality in Dallas is a top priority for manufacturers, ensuring that each product meets rigorous standards for durability and reliability. Vinyl windows Dallas performance is enhanced by features such as noise reduction and security. Vinyl window noise reduction is particularly beneficial in urban areas, where external noise can be a concern. Vinyl window security features provide peace of mind, protecting homes from potential intruders. Vinyl window aesthetics in Dallas are an important consideration for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal. With a variety of vinyl window styles available, homeowners can choose designs that complement their home's exterior. Vinyl window benefits in Dallas include improved aesthetics, energy efficiency, and increased property value. Vinyl window experts in Dallas are well versed in the latest industry trends and technologies. These professionals provide valuable insights and recommendations, helping homeowners make informed decisions about their window installations. Vinyl window contractors in Dallas are committed to delivering exceptional service and craftsmanship.